few days ago I noticed this little rusty color here and a little bubble here. A bubble. This means something's going on underneath the metal. This is a 10-year-old car. Living in Minnesota. Very likely, see all the rust that's developing. Oh, there's really no way to stop this other than slow it. This is pretty bad, but it's better to prevent it now so it doesn't create a bullet holes. Ground to the bare metal. No rust. Rusts are gone. Still there's some rust. So I'm gonna grind it down more. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's a design defect. Look at this. I had to basically gouge out this part, like this part, because rust was living inside. It looked like this outside, but it was inside was all rusted. So I had to gouge out, and then there's still rust spots. I don't know what to do with. It's just terrible design. So see, water goes in here in the rain and gets stuck in here, and a bad gap. Instead of coming out of this hole, they designed so horribly so it just goes between these cracks, and then it just rusts inside between the panel sheets. I'm ready to apply real paint.
Oh!
The same color, matching color paint.
No.
You have to special order them.
No.
You have to go to Napa, National something.
No.
Or O'Reilly. They'll give you the right matching
Oh.
paint.
Oh.
Shake it well, and we're gonna spray it.
Oh. Ready.
Boaz is driving the car. Is he really driving?
Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn it more.
You're running the brake, aren't you, honey?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Turn more. Turn way more. All the way.
You're gonna crash.
Turn more, boys.
This is
Turn
riding
more.
the car.
Okay. Now.
This way.
Now turn this way. Come on. Turn more.
Boys, it's driving.
Okay, now straighten it.
Oi.
Straighten it. Still turning. Straighten the steering wheel. Turn more this way. Keep going that way. Now you gotta more turn this way. Okay, now stop. Okay.
This.
Okay, you gotta. Daddy has. Turn.
Driving into the garage.
Okay, boys, move with this to R. Move this to R. Push this. Push this. Okay, you gotta push it to go. You gotta push this to go 1. Now, turn all the way. The other way. Turn more.
Should I stop the video?
Okay, now, boys, push this.